Government officials are finalising plans to send a plane to Spain to evacuate 2 Irish citizens on board the cruise ship at the centre of a hantavirus outbreak. Health authorities here have been working intensively to make sure everything is in place for the safe quarantine of the 2 passengers, who are currently well and without symptoms. The ship is due to reach Tenerife tomorrow morning.
The MV Hondius is expected to dock at this port before dawn tomorrow. Small boats will then take people, including the 2 Irish passengers, ashore. Spanish authorities say the deceased body will remain on board, with final disinfection of the Dutch-flagged vessel taking place in the Netherlands once all evacuations are carried out. Repatriation flights have already been scheduled to 5 countries, including Ireland.
There will be a medical screening that will be done. If there's anybody that develops symptoms, anybody that has symptoms, they will immediately go to a medical evacuation plane and be taken to the Netherlands for care. For those who are healthy, those who are doing well, they will go to individual planes that are being organised by countries.
The WHO is recommending a quarantine period of 42 days, with preparations already underway in Ireland for that to happen.
What's really important is that we follow the protocols that have been put in place by the ECDC, which is the European Centre for Disease Control, and that we're working very closely with our European partners to make sure that they come back safely. Thankfully, they don't have any symptoms, which is really good for them.
We do have very established both domestic and international protocols for how we coordinate events of this kind, how we react to it. I've been briefed on the nature of the virus, the impact of the virus. I've been briefed very clearly that there's a very, very low risk of human-to-human transmission.
Amidst protests in Tenerife calling for the vessel not to dock there, the chief of the WHO, Tedros Ghebreyesus, has written an open letter insisting this is not another COVID. He'll travel to the Spanish island himself to oversee the operation, saying the current public health risk from hantavirus remains low. Eleanor Burnhill, RTE News.
Our political reporter Fiacre O'Keoney joins us now in studio. So plans being finalised to send a plane to pick up these 2 Irish citizens. What more can you tell us, Fiacre?
Well, Eileen, this is a breaking story, so details are still developing. But we do know, of course, that the Spanish Interior Minister earlier today said that Ireland and a number of other EU member states are sending planes to evacuate their citizens who are currently on this vessel when it anchors near Tenerife, probably tomorrow morning. Government officials privately confirming that move is at an advanced stage this evening. So what questions remain in this? Well, firstly, how is that going to take place? There is a question mark over whether it's going to be a specific Defence Forces plane or perhaps even the government jet that will be sent over in the coming days. Secondly, when exactly will that take place? Spanish officials are saying, well, look, the vessel will anchor near Tenerife tomorrow morning, but may have to leave by Monday afternoon due to bad weather that could last for the rest of the month. So that's a very tight window for when this could take place. And then thirdly, in terms of those 2 Irish citizens who are on board the vessel, what exactly happens to them? Do they get brought back to Ireland immediately, or does the process take longer? And when they're brought back to Ireland, where exactly will they be based? Now, for the moment, government sources are saying that whatever takes place, it will take place under very clear isolation protocols and safety protocols that are going to be overlooked and overseen by the Departments of Defence, Department of Health and by the HSE.
All right, Fiacre, thank you.